Hello, viewers, welcome. Changing sentence, without changing meaning assertive to interrogative. Assertive, there is nothing particularly impressive about this picture. Interrogative, is there anything particularly impressive about this picture? Assertive, no one worships the setting sun. Interrogative, does anyone worship the setting sun? Assertive, Gulliver could hear his watch ticking in his pocket. Interrogative, could not Gulliver hear his watch ticking in his pocket? Assertive, it is useless to cry over spilled milk. Interrogative, is not it useless to cry over spilled milk? Assertive, Switzerland is known for its scenic beauty. Interrogative, is not Switzerland known for its scenic beauty? Assertive, the beauty of nature is beyond description. Interrogative, is not the beauty of nature beyond description? Assertive, everybody has heard of Darwin. Interrogative, has not everybody heard of Darwin? Assertive, he has his dinner at 7 every evening. Interrogative, does not he have his dinner at 7 every evening? Assertive, virtue is its own reward. Interrogative, is not virtue its own reward? Like, share and subscribe please.